What is overextension in vocabulary development? Imagine a young child excitedly pointing at every dog and calling it dog, but then they see a cat and call it dog too. This is a common part of learning language. Overextension happens when a child uses one word to label many different objects, people, or ideas that are not all exactly the same. It is like using a broad umbrella to cover many things. For example, a child might call all round objects ball or all four-legged animals dog. This behavior usually appears between the ages of 1 and 3 years old. During this time, children are trying to make sense of their world with the words they know. They often relying on what things look like, how they feel, or what they do to decide what a word means. So, if a child sees a horse and calls it cow, they are overextending the word cow because they are grouping different animals under one label. From a speech therapy point of view, overextension shows that children are experimenting with language and trying to understand categories. It means they have a basic idea of what the word means but haven't yet learned the exact boundaries. This is a normal step in vocabulary growth. As children hear more words and learn more about their meanings, they start to use words more precisely. Caregivers and speech-language pathologists can help children during this phase by talking to them often and naming objects clearly. Using simple, correct words in everyday situations helps children learn the right labels. Playing with books and toys that focus on specific objects can also support their learning. When a child overextends a word, gently correcting them by saying the correct word helps them understand the difference. Overextension is different from underextension, where a child uses a word too narrowly. For example, calling only their pet dog but not other dogs. Both are normal and show that children are actively figuring out how words work. Understanding this helps adults support children as they develop their vocabulary. It is a sign that they are learning to speak and understand language better each day.